Alright, so for those of you that have been following the channel for a while, you might know that I own a landscape supplies yard called Railways. For those of you that don't, now you do. I'm down here today. We have our barbecue breakfast where we have clients come past and they enjoy breakfast together and hang out. And the guys have just said to me, hey, do you think we need to mow the Tiftuf? I'm like, yes we do. They said, we're not using that stupid bloody barrel cylinder mower thing. We've got no idea how to use it, we're gonna break it. So they don't realize that I have no idea what I'm doing either, but I guess being that I own it, they're more comfortable with me breaking it than themselves. So I'm just gonna show you a bit of the display, and then we're gonna give it its first mow. This is the best way for me to have a Tiftuf lawn that actually grows, because there's no dogs here, and I'm not here often enough to over fertilize it or use too many chemicals. So let me show you around. So this is our Tiftuf display lawn here at Railways Landscape Supplies in Reynella, South Australia. It was planted in winter, and obviously today's the second day of spring, so it's doing pretty well. You know, it's doing a lot better than the Tiftuf at my house. And so the guys have a Scott Bonner 14-inch here that I purchased. I don't remember where I got it from. Someone's going to be upset because I definitely called in a favour on that one and got a good deal. But I'm sorry, I forgot where I got it from. We put a new motor on it, got it sharpened and everything, ready to rock and roll. And oh, it sounds like it started. That sounds loud. Let's go see what's going on. I think they worked out how to turn it on. Did you turn it on? I thought you had it turned on. Oh yeah, nah, first rule of Mower Club. They need petrol. Do you have petrol here? Oh, okay, well the video is finished already. That sucks. Well, thanks for tuning in. Alright. Let's try that again, hey? Oh yeah. She was dry. So you'll have to excuse my the video content. I'm on my own today, although Lukey has arrived. There you go, you want to fill that up? Now I don't have to get my hands dirty. So for those viewers that don't know, this is Luke. He's the manager of, oh there goes the pavers. Why do we have a shitty petrol tin? Wouldn't it be better off to have a not shitty petrol tin? So one thing for those of you watching that lawn doesn't like is petrol. So we can't put that on. Yeah, I think we might need a funnel or something. Do you want me to move on to the boat? Alright, so what we've learnt so far today is the metal jerry cans with the plastic things in them, they're not good. You need to use the plastic ones with the like pull that outer thingers. But the guys have got it sorted, so we're going to clean all the petrol off the mower and hopefully not draw petrol lines in your grass. You do not want petrol on your grass. I intentionally did not put this on the grass to fill it up. I was actually going to put it on the rubble because I had a feeling there was going to be a problem like this, but it's all good. Alex, you want to show him how it's done? Or you want me to do it? So this here, that Luke here, this bit here adjusts the height of the roller. So when you adjust that, it'll lift that up and down, and it just like lowers the mower. But if you go too low, it's going to scalp this, and we don't want to scalp it. Oh, is the clutch disengaged? Yep. Oh, did you just do that? Yep. Oh, what a beautiful sound. Briggs and Stratton, mate. So that blade will engage when you lift that up, and then you can just suss out how, like, if it's low enough. It might be a bit high. You're gonna have a look. Gonna have a mow and see what it looks like.
I'm not the one fucking up.
All right, here. Hold the camera. Probably got a bit lower. Gonna go get my Uber. Be back. My lunch is here. Alright, I had to stop because my lunch came. Vietnamese rolls, man, the best. So, we're going to give the lawn an edge now with the Makita battery operated, I don't even know what they're called, whippersnipper. And then I just messaged Jonesy, I'm going to get him to come down here with a solo 406 or a 414 and give it some foliar treatments, maybe during the week. The weather's not really there yet for granular here. I don't feel like, I'm sure it's not going to hurt it, but I reckon if we can give it some roots and shoots. I don't want to overfeed the Tiff. Obviously, you've seen what happened at my house. So that's it. I'll show you. Well, anyway, I'll edge it, then get out of here. Well, as with everything in my life, I'm going to do 80% of the job and I'm getting out of here. So Alex is going to finish this off for me. We'll keep you updated with how the turf's going out here. It's in Reynella, South Australia. We'll have a bit of a program put together by Jonesy and he'll come out here and spray it, and they'll get better at it. Be a good little thing for them. So once this area is finished, we're going to start using it for entertaining clients and having train events here and that kind of thing. So probably should have recorded that while he wasn't using the blower, but anyway, I'm out of here. Keep it green. Talk to you soon.